Today we are going to go over the proper procedure for using the JC Whitlam flow-aide system Descaler kit. Included in your kit, you will get one 3.5 gallon bucket, one 725 gallon per hour pump, two rubber hoses, one quart of flow-aide, and one service tag. Proper use of the flow-aide will greatly improve the efficiency and the life of your tankless water heater. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the power to your water heater. Once you've done that, close the hot and cold isolation and service valves. Now remove your service caps. You'll now get 1 gallon of water and pour it into the bucket and place the bucket under the water heater. Take your included pump and connect one of the hoses. Make sure the black rubber gaskets are placed into the ends of the hose fittings. Then take the other end of the same hose and connect to the cold service valve. Place the pump back into the bucket. Add the contents of your 1 quart bottle of flow-aide to the bucket. The liquid should cover the pump housing. Now in the heavily scaled situations, or if you're working on a larger or commercial system, you may need additional flow-aide or one of our commercial kits. The next thing you're going to want to do is to connect the second hose to the hot service valve. Then place the other end in the bucket. Now open both hot and cold service valves. Plug the pump in and make sure you use a grounded receptacle. Never allow the pump to run without adequate liquid in the bucket or you will damage your pump. Now it's time to let the Whitlam flow-aide do its thing. Let the solution circulate its way through the heater for about 30 to 45 minutes. When it's done, go ahead and unplug your pump. Close your cold service valve. Remove the hose from the cold service valve. Now go back to your bucket and disconnect the hose from the pump. Then remove the pump from the bucket. Go ahead and discard the biodegradable solution. Now it's time to flush your tankless water heater. Open the cold isolation valve, allow water to exit through that hot service valve into a drain or bucket for about 3 to 5 minutes. If using a bucket, be sure to pay attention and empty it periodically. If your drain is too far from the tank, we have provided a coupler which you can use to connect the two hoses for a longer reach. Once you are done flushing the system, close the hot service valve. Remove the hose from the service valve, and then of course, replace the service cap. Open the hot isolation valve, connect the power to your water heater, and return it to service. Use the service tag that was included in the kit to determine the last day of service. Service tankless water heater units yearly or biannually in hard water areas. When you're finished with the flow-aide system, be sure to flush the pump out for 3 to 5 minutes before storing. For more information, visit flow-aide.com.